Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install RAR and zip packing or unpacking app on Samsung Galaxy A04s. To do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, try to find the RAR app. It's like this. Hit the search button, select the app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Now grant permission to all files and go back. Allow to send the notification and the app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.